The real deal, how to get 100K in business funding. You guys, I'm going to just tell you straight up, if you have your incorporation papers, your LLC papers, you have your EIN number, you have a business bank account, go ahead and apply for business credit cards. They will give you money more than a personal credit card would, because it's a business venture. And they will run your personal credit, and you will have to provide a personal guarantee. If the business fails or something goes wrong, you're still liable to pay those things. So, but business credit cards are easy to get. They give you more money, more bang for your buck than a debit card or personal credit cards go. So if you need money, I would suggest using a business credit card. And stick around, I'll get into it. So how will you qualify for these business credit cards with the higher limits, like 20K? When I first got the American Express Gold Card, they started me out with 20K in business credit. So it is possible to do if this was a startup company. So what you want to do is first make sure your personal credit is excellent, like above 700, okay? Because you want what your personal credit tells everyone is your ability to repay debts, how good you are with money, how reliable you are. So it doesn't matter. So you have to, they run your personal credit. So sorry. If you don't have good credit, you have to work on that. Just work on that. And so yeah, they'll run your personal credit, and if you have like 700 or above, boom, you're gonna get some good money, business credit, okay? Next thing you need to know is to pay your bills on time, all the time. You know, if it's a charge card, an American Express charge card, pay it in full. Build up a year of good payment history, everything like that. And before you know it, they might even offer you an increase in your credit limit, or they might offer you other products. So like if you have 20K on your American Express Gold Card, and then another 20K on your American Express Business Cash Card, the blue one, I mean, another 20 on the Platinum, like there you go. And there you go. I mean, that should be more than enough to start up your business and go for a year or two, you know, until your business is profitable. So you can do that. Now, if you have already started your business and you have business statements, business taxes, all of those things, that can also assist you in getting these business credit cards, or even a credit line, business loan. So you just want to make sure you filed all your statements correctly, you filed your taxes correctly, everything is up to date, no tax liens on it, and your business statements have, you know, what your property, how much business property you have, collateral, all of that. You just want to make sure so you can get the maximum money. Why use your own personal money when you can use a business credit card or business loan and get that money instead? So, you know, it'll take some of the burden, some of the worry off of your shoulders to do it in that manner. Bonus tip: if you're going for a business loan, okay, generally business loans are lower interest than credit cards. They serve the same purpose though. So with business loans, make sure like all your business statements, the cash flow will cover the business loan payments as well as your recurring payments, okay? And with the business loan, make sure, how long have you been in business. Usually startups don't qualify for business loans just yet unless they're going off your personal business, your personal history. So business loans, you can get them, your SBA grants, your Small Business Administration grants and loans. They look heavily on how you're going to pay these loans off, what are you using the money for. So just like a business plan or a business statement on what you're going to use the money for, how are you going to pay it back, and if you have the proper documentation to prove that, then you can definitely qualify for a business loan. And like I always say, go with the bank that you currently bank with. It'll be generally easier to qualify for business items, business purchases if you already have a history with the bank. So always go with the bank that you bank with currently, okay? And so there is a American Express Blue Cash Card video that I want you guys to check out. I will link it down below or up above, wherever, but check it out. I love this card. I think I even like it better than the gold card, but check it out, and I will see you on the next one.